Model, 2020 Citroen Relay 35 Heavy L3H2 BlueHDi 140 Enterprise Spares OR Repairs Grin. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 83,305. Engine, 2,179 cc DW12 BlueHDi 140. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: non-runner engine has seized, will need repairing or replacing. Gearbox and clutch looks all good. Condition summary: bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features: 1 former keeper, part service history, EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.